have a responsibility towards our children, both as vulnerable members of the society and in nurturing the next generation. There is a large body of research demonstrating that time spent with parents is fundamental to children's well-being and development. With today's busy lifestyles, many parents want to spend more quality time with their children. Quality time is time spent doing an activity which is meaningful to the parent and the child. It is the time when family members really get to know each other. Spending such time with our children can be fun and educational for us and for them. Such activities help children develop a positive self-esteem, make them learn about various cultures, including of their own, as well as promote learning with fun. In order to build a strong foundation to make a difference in our children's life through educational and creative activities, Blue Orange Entertainment Private Limited has been organizing events and activities keeping in mind the best interests of our children. Understanding the needs of a child as well as a parent, Boipo, Blue Orange Young Parents Organization, was launched in 2004 by Komal Dujodwala, a proud mother herself. A branch of Blue Orange Entertainment, Boipo, has been bringing together parents and children through age-appropriate and physical activities.
Blue Orange is a really nice concept. It gives you quality time with your family.
मधुर सरस अरु अति मन भावन।
There was a lovely Holi function that I attended where, non-toxic colors and the balloons, everything was kept, and it was such a fun thing for the fathers. They were throwing, we are grown up and we sometimes think, because Holi is not played in our buildings, and then we feel, at least my husband feels, that he's never played Holi before because he feels it's too dirty and all that. And it was fun to see because even he was squirting the guns and he was playing colors. Her events are very different. She incorporates a lot of Indian festivals, which is really good, like the Ganesh or the Holi and the Matki Fort, which kids are doing it by themselves. So religious and ethnic stuff. Yeah, religious and ethnic stuff, and as well as international performers. So it's a good blend of Western as well as Indian.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy
Boipo, a one-of-its-kind concept in the whole world, is especially designed for children between 1 to 10 years of age. Through its once-a-month events and activities, Boipo not only promotes a creative mix of learning, fitness and fun, but also enables parents to relive their childhood.
Even in a city like Mumbai, there is nothing much which we can do. Hence came Boipo, a place where children and parents interact with each other every Sunday. It is a place where likewise minded parents meet, interact and share their views over the upbringing of children.
Blue Orange Entertainment Private Limited strives to support local talent and unusual craftsmanship and helps in supporting and nurturing their works. It has organized various exhibitions in order to display works of creative people from all over India. And now, keeping up with its mission of providing healthy family entertainment, Blue Orange Entertainment is bringing to India the world-renowned Gazillion Bubble Show. It is the most innovative, the most ambitious theatrical production ever staged. This eye-popping production, created and performed by bubble maniac Fan Yang, offers parents and kids an unforgettable extravaganza of soap bubble creations rich in beauty and whimsy. The Gazillion Bubble Show is accompanied by fantastic lighting effects, surround sound, including a jaw-dropping laser show. The Super Bubble Show has mesmerized the audiences of all age groups the world over and has kept audiences standing on their feet with excitement.
Thanks to all the events organized by Blue Orange on a Sunday, I don't have to drive around my kids for entertaining them.
This is fun, but Blue Orange is definitely better.
Blue Orange Entertainment Private Limited is playing its part in ensuring a bright future for the next generation by letting the innocence linger for a little longer. Blue Orange Entertainment Private Limited. Better play for young minds. For membership and details, contact